Alrighty, what is up, guys? Headed to the bank. We're also gonna go to the vape shop. I put the windshield on. I got this windshield extender here. I also got my little chipmunk. Get on my adventure. Come with me. What's up, brother? It's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. You can look me up on YouTube. That guy was pretty cool. Got some shit rigged up back here. This is a mud flap. Let's hit it. We're gonna see about putting some fork deflectors on, making them, fabricating them to stop the wind from shooting up into me. I think it'll be, I think it's gonna be a lot better. We're gonna see if that fixes my my buffeting problem. Yeah, the wind up here is fine. It's down here that I'm getting a lot of buffeting from, so hopefully we can make some like kind of rigged up shit down there. See if we can fix it. Alrighty. Test one. Yeah, actually it's working pretty nicely. It worked? Alright, we got prototype number 2. I'm filming. Yeah. Alrighty. I think it's working.
Alright, so this, you probably saw this flexing like that.
Not much. Alrighty, it's not the prettiest, but that's something right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, this is nice. That's a game changer, actually. Still hit me a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad. It's hitting me more in the stomach area versus the chin. You know, before it was just coming up and hitting you guys straight into the camera and up into my helmet. Now it's not nearly as bad. It's hitting me more of like down in this area, coming right above that tank. It's a little weird. I like the way it looks from out here, from this side. I think it looks pretty cool. Really? I like the way it looks from back here too.
That is so cool when you drive it up.
Well, boom. Sweet. Oh yeah, it goes right into my stomach now, which is completely fine. So much better.
Drive it up, it looks like a whole motorcycle.
She is all loaded up. I know it looks ugly, but it's effective. I'm telling you. Looks like some elephant ears. Headed to my buddy's. It's about an hour ride. So, see how it does with all the luggage on there. Got this first aid kit over here. She ain't going anywhere. She'll bounce all she wants. She ain't going anywhere. Extra pair of shoes. Got these saddlebags. Got my big duffel. And then just my weather padded heavy duty jacket. Heavy duty pants. Gallon fuel tank. And this has got all my like GoPro accessories. Laptop. Got a tarp. Wool blanket. That's got all my camping gear. Toolkit, clothes, and power supplies and stuff like that. Let's hit the road. It's quite heavy, but I have faith that we can do it. I'm going to Florida. I'm gonna head down Florida and then cut up I'm gonna go all the way to the Keys and then cut up the south side of Florida, Alabama, and then I'm gonna hit Texas and stay in Texas for a while. I got some friends down there, and then after Texas I'll head to Nevada, go to California, and then up to Idaho. Hopefully it'll be nice weather up there by then. This person in the silver car to my right just pulled out in front of everybody, nearly got in an accident. I wish I'd gotten it on video. They were just yelling at him. Yo, this stuff on the back, it's nothing, bruh. That's probably like 100 pounds worth of shit, but it's like, it feels like nothing. I'm rolling, bro. I'm just chilling. This is great. This is definitely going to be doable long term. Look at that Mustang. Definitely going to be doable long term. Because right now I don't have a problem other than this dust storm going on right here. What the fuck is this? I'm going to be honest with you, I've never ridden downtown Raleigh. On the bike, at least. I hate driving in a car. This shit sucks. But see if it's any easier in a bike. It looks like I'm just gonna go straight through, which shouldn't be terrible. Huh? Alrighty, we are back on the way to my girlfriend's house. Just cruising. You said what, buddy? Oh, thanks, buddy. You want to rev it? Very softly. You want to do it? Come here. There you go. Dude, this fairing that we kind of made, I mean, I guess I can call it a fairing because it's not like really a windshield. I mean, I guess it's a windshield, but I don't know. I don't know what the difference between a fairing and a windshield is. But check out these houses. Houses are super sweet. But yeah, it works phenomenally. It works amazing. I feel like I could ride for forever. Some of these houses are amazing. They're probably stupid expensive though. Whoa. What the heck? So this guy just asked if I wanted to race.